Well, starting today, nearly 2 million Canadians 70 and up are covered under the new National Dental Care Plan. The plan will eventually cover dentistry costs for a quarter of all Canadians who don't have private dental insurance. But as CBC's Marina von Stackelberg reports, although the plan has begun, it doesn't mean you'll necessarily get a spot in the dentist chair anytime soon.
Coverage under the Canadian Dental Care Plan begins today. The first to receive will be seniors 70 years of age and older. Health Canada says so far 1.7 million of them have signed up. Now, this massive public oral health care insurance program will eventually cover 1/4 of Canadians that don't have private dental plans. It will cost $13 billion over the next 5 years and will cover lots of routine dental care, things like cleanings, x-rays, fillings, root canals, and dentures. But just because the coverage begins today doesn't necessarily mean you might be able to see a dentist. And part of the concern with that is because providers have not signed up in droves. Health Canada says so far 5,000 oral health care providers have signed up. That's denturists, hygienists, and dentists. But with all of the oral health care providers across the country, that's less than 1 in 5.
Well, the ODA, unfortunately, the Ontario Dental Association has all these questions that we're trying to get answered. And so I can say personally, I have not signed up. And really, it's affecting myself and my patients and my wife, because we want to be able to treat our patients that are eligible for this Canadian Dental Care Plan. But unfortunately, with these roadblocks in the way, we're having a hard time signing on to this.
Some of the dental associations have raised concerns about the process, saying that it will be too cumbersome and involve too much paperwork. The health minister has attempted to address some of those concerns. For example, there will now be a direct billing option. So a dentist who hasn't registered officially for the plan would still be able to see a patient under the CDCP and claim it just through the system as is. But that won't start until July. Now, dentists who support the plan say they think there will be more uptake as time goes on.
To launch in May, there's still some things that may not go quite as planned or maybe have to work out the kinks. But I think if we remind ourselves that, all the Canadians that are going to benefit from this, how exciting that is, all those little things that we may have to just work out will come with time. And the government has made it very clear, frankly, that they're listening to us.
Oral healthcare providers say one of the big misconceptions out there right now is that this is free dental care, when that's not the case. Ottawa will subsidize your visit to the dentist, but they can charge the remaining balance. Marina von Stackelberg, CBC News, Ottawa.